Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this was 2 years ago when I was making a video on my channel. Look at my knuckles. God, this is so disgusting and so shameful. How was I able to just shoot this video without even noticing my hands? This is so shameful, God. And this is the secret to my new fingers, guys. So in this video, you will need some original Blue Seal Vaseline. This Vaseline is a German brand. You will need some sugar, some lemon, and any moisturizing shower gel. Please don't go and use bleaching shower gel or skin whitening shower gel, skin lightening shower gel. You will need something moisturizing that has no bleaching agent, okay? And then you start mixing the soap, the lemon. Oh, and I forgot one ingredient. You will still need some baking soda, guys. And after you do all these concoctions, it's okay to feel some burning sensation on your fingers, guys. If you have wrinkled fingers, this is also a good solution for you. And you can also use this concoction for your body as your scrub. You don't need to go and buy any expensive body scrub for your skin, guys. You can still use the same scrub for your fingers and your body. If you are somebody who has dark knuckles, your best friend should be Vaseline. Seriously, your best friend should be Blue Seal Vaseline. You should get this in your handbags anytime you go to town and you feel like your hands are dry. Just apply it. You know, dark knuckles are also like a result of dry hands, and yeah. So make sure you moisturize your hands like every 1 hour if you have this Vaseline in your bags, guys. So after you finish scrubbing, as I said, you're going to feel some burning sensation on your hands and your fingers. It's okay, because that one you feel that the thing is working. Like the more it burns you, then it's going to work. You should do this at least once in every 2 weeks, okay? Yeah, once in every 2 weeks is enough. So just rub this concoction on your fingers in a circular motion as you see me doing. Rub it and then let it stay on your fingers for about 1 to 3 minutes if you can. Yeah, make sure you scrub the darkest part like you see me doing. Look at how I'm scrubbing the darkest part of my fingers, guys. Yeah, the sugar will just exfoliate your skin and takes all the dead skin away, leaving you with a supple finger, and then you can just boast of your fingers again. There's no need to be hiding your fingers. Did you see the beginning of the video? My fingers were so disgusting, guys. And another thing, if you want to have good knuckles, please stop bleaching, okay? There are so many lightening products that are not so harsh. So if you get any of them, you are good to go. Stop using this Abidjan cream to lighten your skin. It will just destroy your fingers. My fingers are not so best, and they are not in the best position now, but it's better than before. Just compare the beginning of the video till now. Just look at the difference, okay? Just look at the difference. There's a big difference. So I still do this once every 2 weeks, and I still use this also for my skin, because sometimes you can't be buying expensive scrubs for your body. So this concoction, okay, Life with Efforts concoction is also good for your body, but please don't apply it on your face because the sugar is a bit hard. Yeah, it's hard. So if you have sensitive skin, it's going to cause redness on your face. Yeah, apply the moisturizer, that is the Blue Seal Vaseline, after you wash your fingers. Look at my fingers. It's now soft, it's moisturized, it's looking nice. The knuckles are fading. It's not so perfect, but we will get there. But I can now boast of my fingers. At least I can bring them out. There's no need to be hiding it. I used to let people shoot my videos for me because of my fingers. Because the moment I take if I'm doing DIYs and I bring my finger out, oh God, I felt so ashamed. But now look at that, girls. Look at that, the concoction has worked. So just do it and come and thank me later, okay? Do it and come and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.